Breaking trust, understanding a crucial English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in English: break one's trust. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp a key concept in interpersonal relationships. So, let's dive into the nuances of this phrase and see how it's used in everyday English. To break one's trust means to do something that causes another person to lose confidence in you. Trust is a belief in someone's reliability, truth, or ability. When you break someone's trust, you do something that betrays or disappoints them, leading them to no longer believe or rely on you as they did before. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone has been let down or deceived by the actions of another person. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. Telling secrets. If you tell someone's private information to others, you break their trust. 2. Not keeping promises. Failing to keep a promise can also be seen as breaking trust. 3. Lying. Lying, especially about important matters, is a common way trust is broken. In each of these cases, the action causes damage to the relationship because the foundational trust is shaken. Breaking someone's trust can have serious consequences. It can damage relationships. It often leads to strained or broken relationships. Reduce credibility. Once trust is broken, it can be hard to regain, and your credibility may be permanently damaged. Emotional impact. It can lead to feelings of betrayal, hurt, and disappointment. Understanding these impacts emphasizes why maintaining trust is critical in any relationship. Is it possible to rebuild trust? Yes, but it's not easy. Here are some steps that can help. 1. Acknowledgement. Admitting the mistake is the first step. 2. Apology. A sincere apology shows remorse. 3. Consistent actions. Consistently demonstrating trustworthy behavior over time can help rebuild trust. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time and patience. Today, we explored the meaning of break one's trust, a phrase that plays a significant role in our interactions and relationships. Remember, trust is fragile. Once broken, it's challenging to rebuild. I hope this video helps you understand this important concept better. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Stay curious and keep learning.